Alright, YouTubers, more cooking. Let's get some light. And plug this in. This is the stainless steel. This is from the thrift store. Turn it on. Start it. Olive oil. That's the end of that bottle. So what I'm doing, this is meatless. Gonna use this corn, meatless pieces. It's chicken, and actually, I think it's pretty good. So you gotta simmer it in a pan for a few minutes, like 12-15 says it on the bag. And we're gonna get that going. Not much to do but wait. So as it cooks, I'll talk about this stuff. Is it as good as chicken? No, but it's close. The texture of it's not disgusting, and the taste of it's pretty decent. So every now and then I like to mix this in with my meals, and we're gonna add we're gonna doctor this up a little bit and have a little fun with it. So I gotta let this get started before I start adding things. So there we go. That's about 6-7 minutes or so. We got that started. Now we're gonna add some stuff. And this one's easy because it's leftovers. This is the rest of that zucchini, onion, and garlic. So that's gonna go in. Put it to good use. Mix all that in. I've used this corn fake chicken before, or faux chicken, or fokin. I'll spell it out so it's not swearing. And I actually think it's really good. We'll let that cook for a little bit. So there's another 5-6 minutes, whatever it was. Corn left over. Boom. Not gonna waste it. And mix that in. I don't know if you can officially call this a recipe or fun with leftovers. Black beans left over. Those go in. Let those go for a couple minutes. We're not done yet. I tasted a piece of chicken. That's not bad. Or schnicken, or whatever you want to call fake chicken. And now we're going to add some Parmesan garlic wing sauce. This is from Aldi's. I've never tried it before. Stick my finger in there. Oh, I think that's going to work. Put that much in there. Turn it down a little bit. Mix it in. That smells really good. A little bit more. Now I guess I have to mention the whole process thing. I looked at the ingredients and they're not very bad for you. And the nutritional info is pretty good. And I guess sometimes I just think, at least I know what's in the package, and I have no idea what they're pumping into chickens anymore. Stir it. I like that. And turn it down to low. Cover it. And let that simmer. See how that comes out. Get my other stuff ready. Yep, there's broccoli. And I think I can take this protector down. There we go. There is my broccoli out of the nucleator. Woohoo, still warm. And now, take that out. Ooh. Let me turn that off, because that's good. Oh, that smells fantastic. Oh, this ain't gonna be bad at all. This is gonna work. All right, we're gonna plate it up. Over. Fake chicken, black beans, corn, zucchini, garlic, onions, and broccoli. Gotta love the trees. Alright, let's eat it. My favorite. I just like putting lemon juice on the broccoli. Broccoli. Broccoli's always good. Alright, there we go. Here's the old veggie concoction. I'm telling you, that's really good. There you go, YouTubers. Quick and easy, a little bit healthier, and not punishment. It is not punishment at all. It tastes great. Have a great and wonderful day. You can do this in your RV It's really simple.